Sorry, the microphone was just not connected.
Your call has been forwarded.
Anyway, so basically, last night I drew this saying that we're gonna come up to the H1, which was the next move, and then from here it just depends if we're gonna continue back down to this H1 here, or if we're gonna continue breaking this to continue up. So, but before we do any of that, let's just take everything out and start fresh. So we're trading here on Monday today, so let's go make our high day from Friday, low of day from Friday. Let's do previous high. Previous high day, previous low day. So here we go, guys. Let's reset back to the weekly, daily. Go from there. Reset back to the weekly. Actually, I want to kind of see what's going on here. So the weekly, I can still see we are coming down from this area. Give us a little bit of a reaction. Um, reaction first. Give another reaction here. Looking at this weekly right here, we can see we came all the way down here, and currently I see that the weekly maybe is trying to push up. Made the bottom wick, made the top wick. If we re-break this top wick, we will probably continue. Continue going up. So let's see the daily now. Daily as well. Or my target for price has been this for some time now. As you can see, there's pretty much nothing stopping price from coming all the way up till here. So we are bullish on the daily as well. And this kind of looks like an inducement because we took all these lows, tapped into an area here, which was like a H4 or something. And are continuing to the upside. Right. Going down to the H4. This H4 right here that created this big distribution. Currently price is going back to there. Lower, lower, high, lower, low. I don't know. Now in terms of demand supply zones right here, this is who we're working with, this range. So we can kind of see slowly prices recovering this range. Currently we are this the next target for price will be this H4 up here. We also have a H4. Well, that one won't count because we wouldn't count this because it's been touched. So H4 down here. And like we said before, price currently was in a H4 zone where we got a reaction, came back up. And currently getting another reaction. In the higher time frames, my target is still this H4 supply up here, but we have to be mindful of the fact that we are at a supply zone. And honestly, yeah, we're at a supply zone. This is also like a strong support. You can see, you can see every time price is below, we stay below. Every time we're above, we stay above. So there's just like an extra confluence that we have a resistance. Our target, again, like I said, our target is up here, this H4. However, it depends on what price does here, because we are at a, and then when we go here, we can see we took this liquidity to the left right here. Boom, price of this liquidity dropped, creating a new area of supply right here that we are currently, this is the H1 supply after taking this liquidity here and maybe tapping into a higher, yeah, there you go. So on the H1, we can see prices respecting this H1 supply. We got this H1 supply down here, because if we respect this, then we will continue back down to here, and if we break this, we can go all the way down to here after, and then down here. Right, so right now we can see it kind of looks like a little bit of a liquidity grab as well, but yeah, I'm gonna take this off still, because maybe I'll put it on the lower time. Yeah, lower, we can do that. So M30, we could see. So I have this M30 down here. So we got H1 and M30 down here together. We're going to put this one because we already got the H1. So came into supply from London. Now we have, let's give us a bit of a reaction. Thing is, the target is not as defined today because we are sort of in this mini range, you could say, from 157 to 154. However, what is happening currently is that price came into this M30, M15 supply, took the liquidity to the left. So let me just do this so we know what's going on. So price came all the way up here, right? We have this demand zone, came all the way up here. We took this liquidity, and then after that, we created a new supply zone, right, on the M15, M30. Price came back into the H4 demand, which was right here, tapped into it, gave a reaction, up to the supply, right? So here we came in, here was the H4, which gave us a reaction all the way up into this M15, M30 supply that was created earlier. And right now we are using it to continue down. That's what is happening. And we got this M15 right here. Now the issue is that if you're looking for cells, right? You're looking for cells down here, down at this H1 area. The issue is that we do not have any setup from pre-New York, right? So we don't have pre-New York setting us up, even though we could clearly see that price is using this supply from London. And currently we're trying to find demand. So it's going to be the first, if we break this, we're going all the way down here, right? We have all this trendline liquidity to target as well, so So higher time frame overall, I was expecting us to continue up, but due to what's happening currently, which is prices took this liquidity H1, let's say prices took this H1 liquidity, gave us a huge push to the downside into the H4 demand, and while it took the liquidity and gave us a push here, it's created a new supply zone which price came into during London, gave us a reaction, um, and I feel like maybe we can come up here, take these London highs, and then if we create a supply zone, then we can continue back down here. So that's one scenario for me. Second scenario would be if price starts breaking all of this area. If we start breaking this area and start creating a new area of demand, then we can definitely continue up to the H4. So we'll wait for price to. Okay, so to be completely honest with you guys, today is not as clear, but like I said, we always adapt and kind of see what's going on. So we do have this area right here as a demand zone, but like I said, we're looking for probably sells. Yo, yo, कैसे मैं गोल्ड पे तो भी आया भी नहीं. Yeah, your USD your supply. Hmm. It's not dumping, bro. What the fuck are you looking at? It's not dumping, bro. It's going up. What are you talking about? Is it a breakdown करने दे gold पे? Okay, so gold. Okay, from this daily demand, target is going to be this daily supply. We're currently we are still in this H4 supply. This H4 demand right here, and this one right here. And the supply, we have this one, but we're currently breaking it, so it does not count. H1. Oh, I got the M30 right here. Yo, might get some gold buys soon. Might get some gold buys soon. Uh, Nay, not yet, but soon maybe we can get into it. Mm. So, hmm? तू उल्टा मार. Yeah, it's possible. We can. Wow, we moved a lot though. Crazy. Mm, the issue is that we're getting a setup from pre-New York. We took liquidity on the H1, so it could be just a reaction from the liquidity to go back into the M15, M5, and then continue back up to the M30. So I might actually, not yet, like in थोड़ा सा रह गया और if it comes down to 80, 80 one sec बता दो. Oh, wow, coming down crazy. Um, yeah, there's no news today, right? Okay. Maybe we'll get it at the M5. Actually, it's a little bit better entry. Dude, why aren't you on Discord, bro? On Discord पे live with you तेरी वजह से. Hmm? मैं कब से वैंचेट live हूँ वहाँ पे. Yeah, let me know. Just let me know. Tuesday. Yeah, maybe we can. I mean, let's wait. Hmm? No, we wait until we get here, and then I'm just trying to think. यहाँ से लूँ या यहाँ से लूँ? I think this is a better area. नीचे से लेना. क्योंकि देखना फिर then our stop loss covers all these lows. यहाँ पे हम बन सकते हैं liquidity. इधर आया बेच निकाले और वापस. But yo, this is such a defined set of fucking. Mm. Mm. Came so close. Come on, man. Just a little bit more, bitch. M5. बताऊं तुझे breakdown बताऊं यहाँ पे. You want to see the breakdown? Yeah, yeah. Pay attention, okay? I'll show you. Price all the ऊपर गया. There's liquidity right here. You देखा this point? Took liquidity. Huge reaction after taking liquidity. Reaction into where? Into the H4 demand. Yeah, H4 demand यहाँ पे. Same as the previous high of day. So it took this liquidity to the left, reaction into the H4 demand. After reaction to the H4 demand, this was H4 demand, created new area of demand off the H4 into where? Into the supply created after taking liquidity, which is right here. आया liquidity, यहाँ पे liquidity ली, supply create किया, ये नया create किया supply to go into the H4, came back into the supply created after liquidity, फिर reaction दिया. Okay, फिर reaction दिया, while giving reaction created a new area of supply right here on M15. Came back into it, gave another reaction. So now either we're waiting for our session to create a new area of supply, इसको break करके, or if it starts going back up here, starts breaking this area, then we're looking for buys up to here. वरना अगर area of supply नया बना देगा यहाँ पे, like breaking all this shit, then we can look for sells down to here. क्या समझा? This is a little bit unclear. It's not as clear, but this is clear. Yeah, I'm just scared, bro. बहुत तेज नीचे आ रहा है gold right now, but honestly, bro, let's take some buys right now in gold. I'll just yeah. Or maybe let's wait for the lower area, if anything. Let's. What do you say? Yeah, area का wait करें? It's coming down really fast. I agree with you. Or maybe I can wait for entry confirmation. Bro, your USD startup in the Chaniana, that's the issue. I think I should take a buy here. I'm gonna take a buy here, bro. I took a buy. 40, 83.84. Alright, we in 83.84. 0.84. Oh, what the fuck did I just do? This is the dumbest shit ever, bro. Yeah. Oh my god. Took this on the fucking 100K with my fucking. What am I doing, bro? Small lot? Yeah, I'm band karne do. I'm just gonna put a buy limit. Fuck it. I'll just put a buy limit instead of all this shit, right? Price still there. No big deal. 83 point. Let me take this shit on my. थोड़ा सा नीचे आ रहा था. Like 83, 82.9. Are you gonna enter with me or no? No, I'm gonna stay. It's fine. When it's dumping like this, we lose too quick. Yeah, about to say it, but बात तो सही है, but I am, and fuck it, it is what it is. 83.34, 40, 83.34. Okay. I'm in. Good luck. Let's see. But I'm only in on my personal account. I didn't enter on the funded. You get a little bit lower probability, right? So. But I've seen this setup so many times, that's why I'm like, yo. Maybe I'll risk a tiny amount on my funded. 1%. I say don't, but up to you. Fuck, I should have up थोड़ी देर हो गई. Never mind. Profit बना रहा है. What the fuck? Where did it go? Oh. Let's see if we can hold this area. Target for price USD M30 supply price created
Profit, weak entry.
yeah M1 demand entered NY entered due to pre-NY. Okay, that's looking good. Looking okay. If we can just break this area.
Yeah, weak entry मारा तूने यार, right away 1-1.
अभी तो लर्न कुछ नहीं मिला. Let's see.
लिया funded पे तूने.
No, I just on my personal. Funded, I would have took if there was like a high of day, low of day here. 100% I would have took. But
जल्दबाजी क्यों करता है?
मैं क्या करूँ? बेंच ट्रेड आ रहा है तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? Can't do anything, bro. Where's my journal?
क्या चुतिया को दिखा रहा है मेरे को?
टाइम क्या हो रहा है अभी? Like 9, what, like 9:18 or some shit? Oh shit. November 10th. It's 9:20. Let's say, fuck it. Okay, we're good. We are rising. Need a little bit more. Come on, baby. Let's go. Chaba. If it goes all the way up here, we're just gonna be a good ass trade. Because I've seen this so many times, bro. The same trade, man. I'm telling you. Same setup, you know. ये देखना. Look at this. ये देख रहे? बरवा. ये देख. And ये देख. सब ये वाली देख picture. And then look at this. Similar, no? Huge upwards. Huge upwards. Back. Continuation. See? Yeah. This if we could keep pushing. We just need a little bit more pips. BE.
BE पे डाल दिया already.
No, not yet. अभी थोड़ा सा wait करना होगा. Need to give it a little bit of room. We're gonna respect this demand zone. Good. If we start breaking below, we're doomed. 6 मिनट में NYC भी आ रहा है तो लोड़े भी लग सकते हैं, but whatever. I'm only risking like 5% of my account, so I'm not scared at all. I don't give.
5%?
No, on my personal, right?
How much? 5%?
Like $400 basically, or whatever. 375, something like that.
That's small for you, motherfucker?
Obviously, it's 5%, bro. Nothing. मैं पहले 10% करता था.
No.
We are forming a left head, right shoulder can be formed here. लेकिन Euro USD थोड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा है, but let's see. Just continue up, bro. Please look at this beautiful bullish engulfing candle, or at least come to my break even, and then I'm chilling. ये जाने वाला है. I think this is about to go, bro.
Daily पे bullish है.
Yeah, everything is bullish. That's why I'm so confident, right? मेरा daily पे target is this up here. Actually, it's up here. This is the real target, but H4. Let's see. Just need this to continue around right now, bro. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Almost. Come on. थोड़ा सा और रह गया break even यार. Break even करा दे पहले. Let's go. Break even करा दे. Benchud. It has to break this fucking area, bro. 4090? It's not breaking 4090. What if I go break even here? I'm up like $200 right now. I don't give a fuck about $200 though. This thing. यार ट्रेड मार देना था यहाँ पे फंडेड के साथ भी 1-to-1 मिल जाता डन खास.
गोल पे डर लगता है.
It's okay.
जितना मैं लेता.
Yeah, but gold, your USD doesn't matter. It's just set up, right?
No, it has. Yeah. I saw how quick you lost in goal.
But you see how quick we won as well.
No, it was Euro USD by the way.
The win is gold, fucking Lala.
No.
You're so fucking Lala, bro. What the fuck is this right here? 280 pips on gold. Truth, yeah? You fucking forgot. Sister, the guy you forgot. It's funny. Yeah, I just hope Nisha in the end it just recovers his whole move. He just left a move है. Full move भी recover नहीं चाहिए. यहाँ तक भी आ जाओ.
I think what happened just now is pull back.
What do you mean? Like pull back to go down?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's see. We'll find out. Yeah, but overall we're more bullish, right? That's why I'm overall bullish. I think we're making higher highs. There's no fucking ये देखना higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So why am I looking for sells, right? Expecting it to make this higher low. Oh my God. Hmm? Uh-oh. 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 Bro, as long as it can hold 4090, that's all. Sorry, as long as it could break 4090, right? 4089 actually.
In 2 minutes there is news.
Huh?
There's news in 2 minutes.
What news? What fucking news, bro? There's no news, Julia.
There yeah.
Oh, part of game maybe. I was like, oh shit, gay. I'm just trying to think, yo, break even लगाना चाहिए or should I just leave this right now?
कुछ 1-to-1 नहीं, half to 1 में मिला नहीं, वो break even है.
I don't know, but the only bad part is
Bad candles.
H1, H1 and H4 both are bearish, right? That's the only fucked up part. But fuck it, bro. Small risk. We'll hold this. It's M5. Oh, that's not a good candle. That is not a good candle. That is not a good candle.
Yeah, there's 1 more minute for you to go up.
It has to hold this area, bro. It has to hold this area. This M1 has to hold. This has to hold. That blue line has to hold.
Face करो.
Getting a break. Retest. Pop. This is Scarface, if you think about it.
No, at this timing though. It's first candle.
Oh, लड़ने लगे, please, bro. Stay up.
That's a very fast drop, bro.
Mm-hmm. Come on, just be liquidity, please. Uh-oh, shit. Thinking tough. Uh-oh. I hope this was liquidity. If this was liquidity, oh, उड़ेगा ऊपर. If this is liquidity, that is. It's okay, bro. What the fuck am I stressing for, bro? It's fucking $300. Gives a fuck.
But you're stressed.
It's not even about 300. It's more about like my idea being correct, right? If this is liquidity, bro, oh, इधर तक उड़ेगा ये बहन shit. But I don't know if it is.
उड़े दिल बेफिक्रे तेरा उड़ेगा रे.
अभी तो मुश्किल ही लग रहा है, but let's see. Let's see what your USD is doing. Oh, your USD. If we can, let's see your USD. If we can break this area, leave it M5, M1, M15. It's possible. Okay, we can continue down. But I would prefer breaking this. That's the thing, right? Yeah, we got one. Okay, we're holding this area still. As long as we can hold this area, bro, I think we're good. But if we don't hold, Lord. Okay, so
bro, मेरा मीटिंग आ रहा है, मुझे जाना पड़ेगा।
shoot, yeah, trader will tap now, bro.
क्या करूँ काम में?
There you go. Okay,
Please donation to your
there you go. You slept in the wrong angle. But yeah, I guess smoked here, guys. I guess smoked here. Unless we hold 80. If we go, so this got fucked already. We hold 80. Still holding, guys. Still holding. Just hold 80. Come on. Oh, shit. Yeah, we're probably gonna get smoked. Got like 30 pips left. That's it. Yeah. It's okay. That's an L, guys. That is an L. First trade of the week. Big L, but it is what it is. Let's see if we entered here. Wow. If I entered here, let's say 75. Nah, we're very bearish right now. Wow. Fuck is this? What the fuck was all this? So, okay, so liquidity reaction gave us a little bit too much of a reaction. So first L, but it is what it is. No issue. I'll be fucking vexed if it takes me out and goes for 475 is where we got out, right? 75 right here is where we got out. Mad annoying if we go all the way back up. But let's see. I don't really, I don't really see any clear setups on EU right now. To be honest with you, gold. Yeah, fuck you, man. So annoying, bro. Fucking bitch comes back. This is my stop loss. I need this to break this and go all the way down, bro. Cause it wick me out and goes up. It's annoying. Wow, might just happen. Might just happen. Fucking bitch. It's okay. It is what it is. Fucking gold, bro. Second time it did this to me. If it continues up, then that means the idea was correct, but the stop loss and the entry was wrong. But yeah, that happens a lot of times too, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, good, good, good. We're not going up. We are staying down, so that's good. I don't mind if I'm absolutely incorrect where it goes blast through the stop loss, but I hate when it just wicks me out and goes, because that just happened like last week on Monday. So I'd rather have this be absolutely, me being absolutely incorrect and this to continue all the way down than for it to do this to me and then continue up, which it might. One more bullet, so we got one more trade left. Yeah, it's no proper breakout. It's just consolidation. You can see sideways consolidation. Nothing too clear. Gold. I don't know what the fuck is doing. Probably Okay. I took another entry. Or I took another one. I just feel like this is the second entry for the day on gold. If this one doesn't work, call it a day. This definitely looks like some liquidity to the left that we took. And yeah, I see. Time number 2, guys. Let's see. Let's give it a try. Usually I don't do 2 attempts, but I just feel very strongly about this. So let's see. Feel like this was the liquidity from NY. To blast the fuck up, but let's see if I'm wrong or whatever. Let's go, baby. Come on. Attempt number 2, guys. I really fucking hope this one works out. Let's go. Should have waited for the liquidity. This looks like a good candle. Definitely looks like something that could just blast up. Definitely looks like a good liquidity grab right here on M15, M5. I think we should be okay on this one. Let's see. Again, we need to break 89. That's the area. Let's go, guys. Attempt number 2 is working out in our favor currently. The first one, price took us out by a pip. If we can break 89.90, we could definitely continue up. So do I stare like that? Yeah, 10 push-ups. Okay, that's not good. That we fucking came all the way back down. Let's see. Motherfucker. We will keep our stop loss open. Sorry, guys. Just did like some push-ups and shit, so a little out of breath. If this trade does work out, this is a reminder for us to know that we should always take the lower area than the higher, because this is what I attempted first. I'm gonna stop that. So where the fuck is the volume, bro? Come on. I think it's keeps fucking respecting this area. Needed to break 86. We have to break 86 to continue. Again, we got 10 a.m., so 10 a.m. can definitely take us up too. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Oh, wait, never mind. We're still not at break even. So, breaking. Okay, we're almost at break even. Come on. Usually I never do 2 attempts, but this one just it just looked too nice to set up, right? So So our second attempt. First trade I lost. We're in the second one. Same trade attempted again. If I get to here, I can go break even. First one I lost, I'm fucking vexed about that one. And it took me out right here. Right here. And it's not going in my favor. Motherfucker. But let's see. This is our second attempt. 250 right now, but I lost 350 earlier. Just wait and see. If this can hit on 1 to 2, be terrific. Okay, give me some coffee, please. Keeps respecting 86. Yeah. I need this to break. We need price to break this line, black line. It does look like a big liquidity candle. I can't lie to y'all. Oh, okay. There you go. There comes the volume. So we are break even now, boys. Stop set BE. Stop start break even. And let's see where we can fly. You already know once you get to 1 to 2. We're gonna bring our stops to 1 to 1. Okay. I hope this was the liquidity because if it was, this motherfucker gonna fly right now. Pretty much back where where I initially started the day off, which is -5%. Now we're up 5. We're at break even. So I want this to get up to here though. Lots of room. Let's go. This was the area that we were struggling before as well, 40.89. Maybe 40.90 area. This candle's moving pretty fast, can't lie. We are flying. Let's keep flying. The thing once we are in line with. Okay, come on. Don't fuck with me today, bro. Just continue. No reactions. We just want a continuation. Break this fucking. There's tons of liquidity sitting up here. Whoa, what the fuck was that? Wow, look, we're doing good now. I should have went up like crazy. Just hold. I just hope that was not liquidity, and it's actually a candle for continuation to the upside. Crazy. I'm seeing like fucking $500 right in front of me, and I don't want to take it. It's crazy, bro. If you think about it, it's crazy. But the strategy says the strategy rules are strategy rules. So fuck $500. We need to follow the strategy. This is exactly the area where we struggled earlier and dropped from, but I'm expecting us to continue up because we had this huge liquidity at the bottom. So we got our next M5, but this M5 is done in a few minutes. See if we can keep blasting up the way we are right now. I have a good feeling about this. Oh, let's see. I'm saying that we should at least come up to this area, right? To the fucking 95, right? So that's a good candle. Come on. Don't turn bearish on me now. Stay bullish, baby. What the fuck? Keeps fucking respecting 9190 area. Strong resistance around these ends, bro. The fuck is here? H4 is about to flip as well. Come on. Just flip and go. This gold can move in seconds. So. Alright, we got 2 minutes left. If next M15 comes down to here, and then, yeah, it's big rejection. I don't like that. Oh, you fucking bitch. Even before that was a fucking issue. 9190 was the issue. Now, if we have enough volume, enough bullish volume, then we'll just continue blasting afterwards. But if we do not, then we do not. Then it is what it is. Still real far away from 80. If we can hold this demand zone. It's gonna be a huge bullish engulfing here. If we could get a big ass bullish engulfing candle right here, bruh, then I think we should be okay. The only reason why I'm so fucking like glued to the charts today is because I lost a trade. If I didn't lose a trade and this was the first attempt, I probably wouldn't even be looking at the charts. I would just be, I'd just have my alerts and fucking forget about it. To be honest with you, that is what I should do. To be honest, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here. Staring at this motherfucker. Ugh. If we go ahead BE, that that just means that our market direction was off for today, or price is ranging too much. So, but we still got like almost 70 pips until we hit break even. So let's see. It's my chart, by the. No, I mean my journal. Last week, look at this: 2 L's, 2 break-evens, 1 win, but a fucking huge win. Took everything. Here, first L, and now we have this fucking break-even, but we're not going break-even. Let's see. Anyway, I've been waiting for a while. I gotta go use the washroom, so whatever happens, happens, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so we are at a 1-to-1. Right here. I'll move my stop to 1-to-1. So let's see what's gonna happen. Highly likely, I don't think we're gonna survive this. Even if we hit break even, it's pretty good. We got a 1-to-1 at least. Oh wow. Oh wow, it's just holding. Right by 89, 88. Let's see. It's looking tough. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. 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 Damn. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck is going on here? It's crazy volume coming from, bro. Come on. You survive, you whore. And we hit BE just now. Right? The fuck? Yeah, there you go. Okay, guys, BE hit. It's okay. 1-to-1. At least we got a 1-to-1, so that's pretty good. It's tight, 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 tight. Okay, so 1 win and 1 loss. So there you go. Pretty much the same trade. I just did a second attempt. Alright, guys, so 2 trades, and we were pretty much done for the day. We ended up actually in profit, $5 for the day, so that's sick. And watch this motherfucker blast up now. That's taking me out of break even, but whatever. The whole point being that even that first trade that I took right here. So what we learned from this is the fact that I took the first trade here, took the second trade here. If we just took it, even the one we took here, price literally just wicked me out and went. But yeah, okay. Overall, decent day. One break, 1 loss, 1 win. And even though we hit a 1-to-2, but we didn't take the 1-to-2. Yeah, pretty much done this one time. Yeah. Alright, guys, I think that's it for the day. 1 loss, 1 break even. This actually might respect this area and continue up, but we'll find out. But yeah. Okay, we'll come back tomorrow. That's all for today. 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss.